For our mushroom cappuccino, we have a nice demi-tasse here, as I call it, right? So we're putting our soup, sort of 2/3. Okay, so we got that, so far so good. And then, of course, we need a milk froth. Now for my milk froth, I use always a cold milk, full cream milk, right? And then it's frothed nicely. I use obviously a milk frother, right? But I mean, lots of you have as well this one already integrated, a steam arm on your coffee machine. But that's what it is. Here we go. Now we're scooping up the milk froth and place it nicely in here, right? Look at that. And that is my mushroom cappuccino for you with truffle essence, right? For you to enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me on ChopChopChef. Till next time.